Hi, Paul here. Today's car is a Toyota Corolla. It's a 1983. The stats say it's only got a 1300cc engine, but I'd be very surprised about that. My guess is it's been changed and quite a few modifications on it. The wheels look quite nice on it, and the owner, before he takes it out, is just doing a little few checks around the car. And this was their pit area, which was a bit covered in mud around there. Nearly slipped over a couple of times, but I think they had a bit of fun. I think it was more slippery in the pit area than it actually was on the rally circuit. Hope you enjoy anyway.
Go back and then another 3 foot.
The difference between you and Paul and our is quite big. Can you see the mercy down there?
Cheers. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you liked it. Feel free to comment or subscribe, and stay safe.